Hello, food aficionados. Welcome back to Logging Good Food, where we are firing up the grill and bringing you the best grilling recipes for a sizzling summer. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with some fantastic summer grilling recipes that will make your taste buds dance. First up, it's all about the meat. Sink your teeth into these delicious grilled meat recipes, perfect for those summer cookouts. Don't forget the sides. Check out these delectable side dishes that will complement your grilled masterpieces. Dive into the ocean of flavor with these incredible seafood grilling recipes. Craving shrimp? We have got you covered with these mouth-watering grilled shrimp recipes that are quick and easy. For the salmon lover out there, feast your eyes on these succulent grilled salmon recipes that are perfect for summer grilling. Vegetarian? No problem. Explore the world of vegetarian grilling with these flavorful recipes. Fire up the grill with these incredible vegetarian options that are sure to please even the most devoted meat lovers. Want to become a grill master yourself? Stick around for some expert grilling tips and techniques. Discover the secrets of grilling with these expert tips and techniques. You will be grilling like a pro in no time. Save room of desert because we are bringing the heat to your sweet tooth with these delectable grilled desert recipes that will add the perfect finishing touch to your summer cookouts. Turn your grill into a desert heaven with these mouth-watering barbecue desert recipes. From grilled fruit swikers to decadent chocolate stuffed grilled pastries. That wraps up our journey through the best grilling recipes for summer. We hope you found these recipes inspiring and can't wait to try them out. Don't forget to visit our website blogginggoodfood.com for more food inspiration and tips. Until next time, happy eating!